John. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. People have not arrived yet. However, we've got opportunity now to look and talk about this HP printer that you're showcasing here in Nuneaton. What will people learn about this event?
Well, we've pulled together a wide range of experts to be here today. We've got Paul Gately, who's the UK business manager for HP. We've got an applications engineer, Mariam Qureshi. She's going to be talking about what applications are suitable for this machine, hopefully give customers some idea of what they can get from the machine. With Graham Bond from a company called FDM Digital Solutions. He puts a lot of value added. He's effectively a posh bureau. They do some design work, and he's a user of the machine already, so he's aware of its, if it has any shortfalls, obviously it doesn't, what the machine's capable of.
So there's going to be a lot of educational perspectives here today about the new HP printer, but my question too is, HP printers have been around for many years now, so what's so different about this particular piece of equipment?
Well, I'm relatively new to the 3D industry, so for me, my journey begins when HP approached us to become channel partners. The 3D printing has been around a while, but our machine brings to the market functional parts. So people would consider a 3D printer to make a part to look at and then go ahead and make a real one. This machine makes the real one, and it does it with very strong materials and 10 times faster than anything else on the market.
John, you mentioned speed, but what about the capacity and how many components can it manufacture at once?
So you have a build volume. Some people refer to it as a bucket, and it really is a blank canvas. So I always call the parts widgets. So my target customer needs to make lots of widgets, and they need to make them fast. If you need to make almost a prototype component, you can just print one component. The 10 times faster comes from the fact that it's a page-wide pass. There's a beam that delivers the agents to the powder bed, and it doesn't matter what's in the way. It's just going to drop the agents where they need to be dropped. So if you're making one part, you're not going to get the benefit from the speed. If you're making multiple parts, then you really do benefit from the speed. And 10 times, I think, is a little bit conservative. If you consider the point-to-point laser systems that are out there, our one really is light speed.
Now, I'm considering buying this potential product, if I was. Now, what materials can you manufacture the parts in?
So today, as we stand here now, we have PA12, we have PA11, and we have PA12 glass beads. And we do have a roadmap, and there are 50 other materials in the pipeline. The next two to come to the market will probably be polypropylene and TPU.
If people want to contact you and to find out more, how should they get in touch?
Well, the easiest place to find us would be to go on the web and look at our website, www.xyzmachinetools.com. If you just Google XYZ Machine Tools, then you'll find us. Hopefully, or pick up any publication or have a look on MTD.